you talk about energy states, you talk about emotions, you hold such a non-judgmental space where everything just kind of flies the way that it needs to. And you also provide meditation, which I absolutely love. I love meditating. That was such a good part of the process, whether it was going into a rose garden or learning to say bye-bye to the chocolate addiction. So there was always, I feel like your program gives everyone something. It just depends on where in your journey you are. And for me, the thing that I took away most was the emotional support and the space to just really look at some of the heavier shadows that the weight gain had built inside of me and let that come out to the surface. And it allowed me to see that and release that with so much love and so much peace and so much self-belief that I was growing into my next level. And yes, I was fearful about it. And there was a part of me that was very scared and wanted to stay in the same place. But you very beautifully held that space to allow me to just rise. And that's the thing that I loved most, I would say, about the program.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear that. Let's talk about that. So, what was the turning point for you that really just changed the game and changed the ways and the things that you were struggling?
That, like, I remember a couple of just really specific things in our coaching in the last 12 weeks that just hit me like a nail. One of them was on the coaching call when you highlighted to me that the reason that you're holding on to this weight, or the reason you're holding on to this stuff, is because somewhere you don't believe that you're worthy of love without it. And really, that just opened the floodgates for so many things I was told as a child about how I needed to lose weight, mean things that boys may have told me around my body, things my family and friends may have even said in well-meaning ways. And you just, like, it was like the thing that opened the lock, the key that opened the lock, and then all the shit could come flying out of the surface. So I definitely think that was a huge part of the process, and that was something that was one example of something. And I think you've said so much other stuff, whether it's to do with developing boundaries with others, which I then realized comes back to the boundaries you develop with yourself and how you hold yourself to those standards, and then that's how it gets reflected um, outside. So just so many little things.
Yeah. And what was the big like breakthrough moment when the emotional eating stopped? Because I remember, like, even though you knew what to eat and what not to eat, and not to eat dessert or so much dessert and so much chocolate and stuff, but it was still happening behind the scenes, even though you have a lot of nutrition knowledge. So what was like the big breakthrough point, what made you realize, or what made you, yeah, be able to say goodbye to that and actually free yourself from that emotional eating?
I think that more than realizing or more than a thought, it's just such a feeling. Like, I think there was a day in the program where I just woke up loving myself. And it was around the 8th week after I had moved through a lot of stuff. And I would say I actually saw the majority of my progress in terms of the weight loss in the last month. That
Mm.
was fabulous. So what happened was, I had been doing all of this work, and I had I had gone through the things, and I had done all of the stuff. And but I hadn't, there's a point where you mentally process, okay, I need to love myself despite this or through this. And you think these thoughts, oh, this is happening because I don't love myself enough. And then there's a point where that thought just becomes your default feeling, where you just start embodying what the thing it is that you're thinking. And there was a point where my frequencies shifted, and I felt it. I was like, I know I'm in a different vibe now. I'm never going back. What's gone is gone. That state is not happening again. I'm never going to weigh what I weighed before. I'm in a completely new quantum zone right now. And this is where I want to vibe, and this is where I'm at. And it was just an irreversible kind of shift. It wasn't like one of those, ooh, I followed this diet and I lost 4 pounds, and who knows if I'm going to gain it back in the next 2 weeks if I go out and fly off the rails. It was a very calibrated internal shift that was a complete state of being change. And it's almost as if my weight is just a reflection of my inner state. And I did not realize this before I lost the weight, because I was so, I'm such a practical person, and this is what I do in my own coaching as well. I was like, it's so about what you're eating and the workouts that you're doing, but it really is also about how you're feeling about yourself and how you process your emotions, and how you allow yourself to rise into that new frequency. So I think the shifting moment for me was the day where I just woke up and I was like, I freaking love you. Like, I looked into myself in the mirror and I looked into my eyes and I said, I freaking love you, and I believed it.
Amazing. Wow, that's so powerful.